Hello and welcome. It's Chet Davis, your technology tutor, with today's tech tip for experts, authors, and entrepreneurs. Today's topic, intermediate Google searches. Myself and a lot of colleagues use search engines. Google's probably, definitely the most well-known. And we use it to find information to help us in our jobs. I was at a conference this past week, and a colleague brought up an issue, a question, and I said, there's an answer for that. And let me show you that answer right now. What I want to show you today are three what we call operators that you use inside of the Google search bar. So if I was to search for, let's say, faith books on faith, it would bring up a variety of different books. And you can see there's some Christian books, Christian living books, etc. Well, let's say you're an expert or you're an author prospecting and seeing what kind of books are out there in the space that you're an expert in. And maybe you were in non-traditional faiths, and not Christian faith. So let's go ahead, and if we put the minus symbol or the dash and the word Christian. Now, what's important about this operator, this dash, this minus symbol, it has to be right up against the word. There cannot be a space. Then we click the search bar. What it gives us now are faith books that are not Christian books. Faith books that are not Christian books. Another example is this. Let's do Jaguar. Well, there's Jaguar the animal, and there's Jaguar the car. Maybe if you wanted to only research the animal and not the car, so we do Jaguar minus car and hit the search bar, and now it's going to give us information only related to Jaguar the animal. So that's the first of three operators, using the minus symbol or the dash in front of a word that you want to omit, remove from the searches. Now our next operator is this right here. Let me give you the motivation for it. Maybe you wanted to find out specific information on a specific website. Maybe a friend or a colleague of yours said, you know what, I read a great technology article this past weekend at Reuters.com, the international news organization. And rather than try to just go to Reuters and look for the information, you can actually use Google search engine. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to type in the word technology, because you heard it was a technology article. And we're going to do cite to tell Google we want you to only look at a specific website, and that specific website is Reuters.com. And now when we click the search button, it's showing us technology articles, technology pages, technologies groupings only from Reuters.com. Isn't that cool? So you can search any website looking for an article, for information, and again, just going for a specific website. So you could do Time Magazine, for example. You could do time.com. And it's going to give you information related to that topic, but only the information found on that specific website. Now, the last operator I want to show you today is this, and it's the hashtag. But first, let me show you what the search looks like without the hashtag. Now, one of the things that I love teaching people is photography, particularly digital photography, and more specifically, iPhone photography. Absolutely love it. And let's say I wanted to find out information, places on the internet where people are talking about photography. Well, we could do this, and it's going to give us a whole bunch of different stuff. We've got, of course, the paid search results, but then we have photography, an article on Wikipedia, National Geographic photography. So certainly good information about photography stores and services, etc. But I want to just find out where people are talking about it, specifically where the word photography is trending today. So if we enter hashtag photography and click search, we still do have the paid search results. But look at this, tweets about photography on Twitter. Then we do have, again, the page search results for the local area. Photography on Facebook. Hashtag photography on Facebook. Photography on Pinterest. So Tumblr. It's a great way to find out where the other authors, experts, entrepreneurs are talking about your particular topic, your area of interest, your area of specialty, so that you can dial in, become part of the conversation, and further your business even more. I hope you found that of great value. I'll be producing a great deal more of these short video tips to help my fellow experts, authors, and entrepreneurs become even more successful. And also, if you feel inclined, leave a positive review. I would greatly appreciate it.